Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. Discover this stunning Columbia model home in the sought-after leased Parke community, offering over 3,000 square feet of elegant living space across 3 finished levels. The main level features luxury vinyl planking, an open floor plan, and a chef's kitchen with a large island, granite countertops, and a top-of-the-line LG refrigerator with craft ice. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a serene retreat with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The fully finished basement includes a recreation room, bonus room, and a full bath. Outdoors, enjoy a private, fully fenced yard with a concrete patio and gazebo. The conditioned, heated and cooled, plus epoxy-floored garage adds year-round comfort. Keep your lawn looking green and lush with the underground sprinkler system. Never fear losing power with a hard-wired generator. Located in an